When investing in street banners, one of the most important questions is simple: how long will they last? At MainStreet Designs, we've spent years developing banner materials that deliver exceptional durability, vibrant color, and long-term value for our customers. Our premium MainStreet fabric, also known as MainStreet Digital fabric, is engineered for long-term performance and can last an average of 7 to 8 years in the field. For customers looking for a durable vinyl option, our 22-ounce vinyl banners typically provide around 4 years of service while maintaining outstanding color and appearance. What truly sets MainStreet Designs apart is that we're the only manufacturer to apply a UV clear coat to our digitally printed banners. This additional layer of protection helps defend against sun damage, preserves color vibrancy, and extends the life of your investment. In fact, both of our premium MainStreet fabric and 22-ounce vinyl banners are backed by an industry-leading 3-year warranty against sun damage and major tears. When communities choose MainStreet Designs, they're choosing banner materials built to last, to look better, and deliver years of reliable performance. That's the MainStreet Designs difference.